What's up, everybody? Welcome to MyDunnLife. This is where I take you on my adventures on two wheels of four. Today is day two, technically, of a two-wheel adventure, but unfortunately, I don't know how much recording I'll be doing. It's very wet outside. We managed to look out yesterday, and we didn't really actually run into rain, but all I did was dash cam record. I'll fiddle some of that into this video. I'm actually staying at a micro hotel here in Charleston, West Virginia. We've actually stayed here like 3 times, and it's probably the most we've ever spent in one hotel. Pretty nice hotel. It's clean. It's got decent bathrooms, got a decent bed. We got a king size suite. It's the micro hotel. Wyndham? Wyndham, is that how you think?
Yeah, Wyndham.
It's funny because this is almost exactly where Nash slept the last time when we did the trip with the Blue Ridge Parkway. But again, it's a little bit older, but it's been remodeled. It's fairly nice, fairly clean. Staff's friendly. Breakfast is, it's okay.
No meat.
Yeah, no real meat. But other than that, we're gonna get things packed up. We're gonna get the bike wiped down. We're gonna have to get our rain gear on. It's not gonna be a fun trip. We've got about 7 hours to make to Myrtle Beach, and that's the whole point of this trip. We're gonna be meeting up with her family, and who knows what shenanigans we'll get involved in. So let's get going.